Right, it's finally stopped raining. Yeah, I think it's rained nearly every single day so far in 2026. Absolutely bloody rubbish.
It's official, the weather at the minute is absolutely fucking shite.
I've only ridden to the top of Vicar Water and I'm absolutely soaked. I was determined to get out, even if it's just for half an hour. So I've got the GoPro mounted on the back of the bike, and I've obviously got the DJI Action 6 filming from the front. So we're just going to have a ride down from the viewpoint. We'll see where we go. Right, I hold zero hope of the GoPro's lens staying clean for more than about 5 seconds. Not really the best day to be bringing it out, but we'll see how we get on.
Yes, please.
Might want to need a toe.
No, he's better than me.
He's a better man than I. He's better than everyone.
squashed. I was like, fuck.
That's horrible.
It ran in front of
Slop.
I wonder if we would run out in front of her, then run back in front of her again.
it. Did you? It was like that. I thought it was getting face to blood. I was like, I'm going over it. Oh my god.
That was suicidal.
I
wasn't
saw you in your...
it? Right, I'm going to get cleaned up. I'll see you again.
Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah.
See you in a bit. Sun's coming out now, it's getting dark, look. There can't be any more rain to come down. So I'm absolutely piss wet through, but I'm still smiling. About 10 mile in total, so just nice to get out for a bit, even though it's complete slop everywhere. See what the weather's like tomorrow. Hopefully get out for another hour or two. We'll see. Right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.